Oh well.
Zane did not burp.
He did?
No, I did not. Shut up, Dino.
Hey Granny, how are you? She's literally gonna see me. She is blind in this game. By the way, we're playing easy mode. I'm gonna wreck her, by the way.
Oh, I got an ad.
She can hear. Oh no, she can.
She can hear you guys?
No, wait, yes.
Can she hear the fans? Fans, Granny can hear you.
Oh, jeez. I just meant that for no. You farted again.
I did not fart, I burped. I hate you. Big gosh. I don't hate you.
I'm just gonna leave that. I'm just gonna leave this
I got this ad and like it was like the weirdest thing ever.
Oh.
Because there was like two girls making a cake and they started fighting over it.
What the heck? Oh my!
I would have screamed if I saw that.
Oh my god! I'm on a date. Damn it, she locked my door.
Oh yeah.
That's what I hate. We always have to wait. What did I just see?
You saw rock stars singing.
Oh, I like a rock star.
Or you singing Kermit? Is that Kermit? Are you gonna Kermit suicide, Josh? Leave my dog alone.
Okay, Billy.
Don't call me Billy. Billy's right here.
Hey guys, I'm Billy. You know I'm Billy me.
Stop saying Billy. Billy's gonna come after you if you stop saying.
I can't break both. I can break these cuffs.
That's why I'm gonna get a heart attack.
I'm not. I'm just gonna put it at full thing.
Yeah, mine already is, but I don't know if you just
Oh! Just when I came out. Wow, thanks, Granny. I appreciate killing me. Oh, it's cringy. Too cringy for me.
Oh, Dark Birds.
I just hate this music. Thanks a lot, Granny. I really appreciate you scaring me to death. I'm gonna have to do this.
Okay, you can leave the fans alone. But don't make that noise.
Okay, can I
The
please?
fans don't want to hear that noise.
Okay, guys, here's a little secret that my cousin doesn't know. Oh, wait, this doesn't even work.
Okay, that's the secret.
No! Yeah, I told you this would work. Sure, I got a teddy here about
To be honest, I'm just messing around.
You are?
I'm not actually playing. I'm just messing around in this game.
Oh! I'm gonna go another way. Oh man. It's like she could hear you grabbing her teddy bear like ding ding.
Can you not? Ow, that hurt.
Okay. I'm gonna do it again. I'm probably gonna
Granny probably heard that.
What the heck is that sound? Look, guys. Granny, how are you, Granny? I appreciate you not killing me, Granny. I know she's gonna come.
Wait, the talking cat hearted your comment?
What?
The talking cat hearted your comment?
Hatted?
Heart.
Yeah, I think so.
What'd you comment?
Oh, really?
That's what
No.
Die. Why'd you throw the fans?
I didn't throw the...
Yeah,
The last day. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for Granny there. And if that doesn't work, I'm just wow.
I really will.
She stopped. She was talking. Strawberry night. Okay, Granny, if you're doing it that way, I'm gonna do it that way too.
Granny's giving me a heart attack.
She's not telling
And
me.
I left the base over there, and now I cannot knock anything over, and now I screwed. I cannot. Oh yeah, that.
I'm just gonna wait here for. Wait here. So because every time I come out, she's right there. Oh, she didn't see me. Oh, she didn't see me.
I'm getting really lightheaded from screaming a lot.
Oh no. Really? Her bat is right there. Her bat is right there. Bajito, her bat is right there.
Wait, what you even call me?
Bajito?
What the heck?
Oh my god, her bat is swinging like non-stop. What if I drop it? What you gonna do? Oh, she tried in coming in. Am I trapped in here? Trapped Teddy. Oh. But I am literally stuck here. If I get out, Mrs. Billy is gonna come over here.
Mrs. Billy is gone. Billy killed her.
But where the heck is Billy? Luna, where is Billy?
I found Billy.
Oh, I'm trapped here.
We should show the fans a picture of Billy.
Because they're like, what? We don't know any Billy.
By the way, Billy is just a plushie of the lowrights I got to art class.
Okay. Leave me alone. Oh my.
Here, my dog will be with this guy, so he won't be scared.
Oh my. What if I drop? I am literally stuck.
I'm gonna throw his phone. His granny.
I look into the eyes of Granny. She's not that scary.
How can she not see you?
Because...
Bro, leave my dog alone.
I am. Oh my, what the heck? Really, Granny? I'm never trusting you ever again. So what if I go closer? Hey, Granny. Oh my, I'm so close that I might even die.
Like the last day.
This is my last day.
Oh, wait, day 5?
Yes.
Alright, we're both day 5.
You're really gonna die more than me.
Alright, let's go.
I can't.
Wait, where'd you even go?
I went down, like, you know,
Here?
no, go up. Look what you're gonna do. Look. If you go in, like, in the secret base, she has that. Oh, yeah, it's right there. She's gonna cut off.
Oh, it's the same thing as Roblox one.
No, look.
Yeah, the Roblox one, outside.
Hey, Granny.
How did she not see you? We just end the video.
Hi, guys. No, wait. He's, thinking of you. So, I'm about to die, guys.